I hope you all are doing well and staying safe with your families, and most important, keeping your masks on. So today's video is something different but very special to me. So let's talk about role models today. So when we are kid, we see big superstars as our role model. But as we grew up, we start finding our role models in the people who care about us, who support us, who be there for us in our hard times. And this is what happens to me as well. I still remember it was the first day of my 10th standard classes, and somebody came in. So his first word was like, "Bolna beta, kya hua?" So yeah, it's all about one of my professors. His name is Jackie sir, and I met him in my 10th standard. So from that point of time till today, we are in touch, and I feel very happy to stay in touch with him, and I'm way more grateful and blessed to have him in my hard times. Because see, there's this phase which we all experience in our life, okay, and where we need somebody to talk to get guidance, to know about. Imagine the days when you were in 10th standard and you were confused about which subject to pick, whether should I go for science, or whether should I go for commerce, or whether should I go for arts. You understand? So yeah, this is it. And there's one special thing to announce, which I'll tell you in the end of this video. But before that, I want to discuss one very crucial topic with you guys. So as you know that these days, during this COVID period, everybody is like a little irritated. Most of the people have become aggressive, and most of the kids are not aware about the things which are about to see or may come in their life in the later. So all these suicides, all these things which we hear each day, that there's this student who suicide because of less marks, there's this student from Delhi suicide because his or her parents were not happy with the marks they scored. So considering all these things, me and Jackie sir, we both have come up with one special thing. So it's called as life score. So here what we are gonna do is we're gonna teach children about the life hacks as in what to do when you are in misery, or you must be overthinking, or the small things which nobody talks about. So there's this special line from one very special movie that सक्सेस का प्लान तो सभी के पास है, बट अगर सक्सेस ना मिले तो उससे डील कैसे करना है. सो या one small request from each one of you, that if you see some kid confused, or if in your relatives or brother of your friend or anyone, so see, there was a time when you needed help, but hardly few people showed up, and you know exactly when the guidance is required. We have been taught that good grades are the only thing, but somewhere who have cleared their graduation, or maybe who are doing the job, we all know and we all have realized at some point of our life that only grades won't work. You need to have the skills, you need to have the right guidance, you need to start the things at the right time, and the earlier you start them, the better it is. And I can't put it into words, but me and Jackie sir are so excited to start this together, and to be able to help somebody and guide them in some way. That's the greatest thing which we both believe in, and I hope you too. So if you like this video and if you think that it made sense, please share it with your friends, share it with your family, so that every person can realize that kids needs guidance and we can guide them in the right way. So let's use our own life experiences to help others' life make better. And yeah, this is me, Neeraj Mandya, and I'll see you next time.